What we would like to do is use this sales data in accounting, tax, or financial calculations. That's it. That's what we're trying to do. And by default, and this is kind of funny because you're in this course, but we would rather not use Alteryx at all. In other words, it would be best and most efficient if we could just export financial data from our ERP system into Excel and do the calculations we wanted right away. But what we're assuming in our example is that we can't do that. Why not? There could be a lot of reasons. The numbers are formatted as text. There are numerous columns that contain data we don't need. There might be tens of thousands of extra rows that don't factor into our calculations, and the list of issues could go on. The point is, we're assuming in this example that our sales data is a mess, and not only would fixing the data in Excel be a time-consuming and manual process, but working with the data manually would make it hard to document our process for SOX purposes, and would also increase the possibility of making an error. As a result, what we're about to use Alteryx for is to take messy sales data in Excel, organize it in a methodical way that meets our needs, and then we're going to export the cleaned up data to a separate Excel file so that we can do our accounting, tax, or financial calculations. Even though you may not know a lot about Alteryx yet, you've likely heard that it's extremely good at handling large amounts of data. Well, I would agree. But here's the thing. Nothing happens in Alteryx until you import your data into the software program. Once you do that, then you can use Alteryx tools to work with your data in the ways that are necessary to accomplish your goals. This is where the Input Data tool comes in. It's extremely important because it allows you to import data into Alteryx from external files and other sources. Now, let's start off with a simple but important example to show how this works.